I'm Akshay from Akshay Megatronics and welcome back to my new video. And today I'm going to teach you how to make an intro. Just go to Google Chrome and type www.panzoid.com, and this is the best site to create intro and outros. I like to create my intro and outro over here. So click more creations and there are lots of options for you over here. So for example, I'm gonna click, just wait a sec, any 3D outro, wait a second. And this is an outro, we'll go for outro afterwards. So first we'll go to a 2D intro, and we'll go for 3D intro. And this is basically a 2D intro. Yeah, just click it and yeah.
I don't know why chick mention my name, but devil man's trying to get attention to the game. Told you before, this year is the year when the real fake niggas get left in the rain.
Intro actually, and these are 2D intros. So if you go back and you see for any 3D, okay, we'll click this. And this is your 2D intro or 3D intro. And you can change the text over here. If you go down, click this cube icon and go down, and you have a group text. And click this text, which is this. So click stick list and type your channel's name, like mine is Akshay and Akshay Megatronics. So just type Akshay. So first, easy way, and click this download button over here. Then you have to render over here, and I recommend you to use this good quality, because extreme quality will be slow for download and it won't support for all the editions. So I recommend you to go to good quality. The faster render will be, the downloading time will be short, but the quality will be worse. So I recommend you to use good quality and click it. And format should be MKV, VP8, or so just start video render. So it will take a time actually to finish it, so I'm going to skip it. Hey guys, so the render is finished right now, and just click this, download your video. So it automatically starts to download right now. Your download is starting, and yeah, it's over here. Just click that and see the intro. Wow, it's awesome. So they will give automatic sound music to it. I didn't add to this because you can't hear. Just I'm recording my voice, so it won't record that music. And this will be our 3D. We'll want to a 3D. Yeah, this is a 2D intro. Open in Clipmaker. Yeah guys, and this is a 2D intro. There are thousands of intros, so the selection is very important. Yeah, and you can rename over here and go to the name, like, yeah. So then after you do that, go there and select good quality and start video render, and you can download. So this is an easy way to download your intro, and you can create your own intro and sell it. So we have outros, too many outros. Yeah, so this example of an outro. This every outro are 2D. No outros are 3D for me actually. So I recommend you to use. So thank you for watching outro, but this will be nice for your end and transitions. It will be available in YouTube. So my next video will be how to put the videos after the ending. The 2 videos will be running on or here. So this name, the name will be changing to your YouTube channel over here. So if I type megatronics, see, height should be reduced to 8, it's like this. So this, and you can also change your text, bold font. That is nice to see. So this is how you create outro and intros. And yeah guys, thank you for watching. Stay awesome, peace, and don't forget to like and share this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll upload more aesthetic videos such as I can. Thank you.